The Trimax Striker is a multi-spindled rotary roller mower with extremely low maintenance requirements. This is an ideal mower for compact tractors on sports turf. With great presentation and excellent cut quality, it gives a great value for money. Customers suited to this kind of mower include schools, football and sports clubs, country golf courses and big estates. This mower is available in 2 cutting widths and requires a minimum of 20 horsepower at the PTO. The Trimax Striker incorporates a unique baffle design for improved grass distribution and less clumping. Clippings are dispersed from behind the mower in a downward direction, making it one of the safest mowers in the market. Fitted with front and rear rollers, the Striker is able to produce an attractive stripe pattern when presentation is key. The patent laser blades have a tilt-forward design. This gives it a precision cut and makes it more cost efficient than compared to cylinder reels or solid blade beams. The Striker has variable height adjustment for year-round mowing. Heights range from 10 to 100 millimeters to suit all sports pitch requirements. The Striker is attached to a tractor via a 3-point linkage with a floating headstock. The Striker is powered with a simple belt drive system which minimises the chance of expensive gearbox damage. This system requires less horsepower and incurs lower fuel costs. To assist with cleaning of debris on the roller, the Trimax helical roller scrapers operate with reduced tension but apply constant pressure across the roller. With only 4 grease points on the mower body, the service maintenance has been designed to be quick and easy for maximum uptime.